They will contact you immediately after listening to this meditation. Get ready, because this is the magical meditation that brings your specific person straight to you. I don't care what happened before. I don't care how long it's been. I don't care what the circumstances look like. All that matters is what you decide right now in this moment. And right now, you are deciding that you are the one who always receives contact, love, attention, and affection. You are the one they cannot stop thinking about. You are the one they reach out to. Now close your eyes and repeat after me. I am the one. I am the chosen one. I am the priority. I am the desire. Right now, this very second, the energy is shifting. Right now, the universe is rearranging itself in your favor. Right now, your specific person is thinking of you. They're picking up their phone. They're typing your name. They're feeling an overwhelming urge to connect with you, to reach out, to hear your voice, to feel your presence again. You are magnetic. You are irresistible. You are unforgettable. There is no force, no distance, no excuse that can keep them from you, because you are it. You are the one they desire. You are the one they crave. In this very moment, you are not waiting. You are not wishing. You are not chasing. You are receiving. You are knowing. You are embodying the version of you who is already living in the end result. The version of you who smiles because you already know is done. Repeat after me. I already have the contacts. I already have the text. I already have the call. I already have the connection. Feel the shift in your body. Feel the relaxation take over. Feel the certainty settle in. This is who you are now. This is your new normal. You are the person who always hears from the one you desire. You are the person who is always contacted first, thought of first, chosen first. Their mind is filled with thoughts of you. Their heart is calling out for you. Their fingers are reaching for their phone because they feel the pull, the magnetic pull of your energy, your vibration, your power. Right now, you let go of the old story. You release the doubt. You release the worry. You release the how and the when, because it is done. It is unfolding. The context is here. The message is coming. The connection is inevitable. Repeat after me. I am magnetic. I am chosen. I am the one they desire above all others. The universe responds to your certainty. The universe mirrors your belief. The universe delivers exactly what you claim. And right now, you are claiming that your specific person contacts you. They reach out to you. They cannot resist you. They must speak to you, hear you, be near you. Every time you listen to this, you imprint this deeper into your subconscious. Every time you affirm this, you strengthen the signal you send. Every time you feel it is done, you collapse the distance and draw it in faster. It doesn't matter if it's been days, weeks, or months. Time is irrelevant. Circumstances are irrelevant. All that matters is your state. And right now, your state is magnetic. Your state is abundant. Your state is confident. They are calling you. They are texting you. They are visiting you. You are receiving that message, that call, that visit, and it is unfolding perfectly. Now smile, breathe, trust, because it's already yours. Right now, in this very moment, your energy is shifting. Your vibration is rising. You are no longer the person waiting, hoping, doubting. You are the one being chased. You are the one who is wanted, desired, longed for. Your specific person cannot help but think about you. Your name echoes in their mind. Your face appears in their thoughts without effort. You are their obsession in the most beautiful, magnetic way. You are radiating a power they cannot resist. With every breath you take, you are stepping deeper into the reality where you are the chosen one. They can't help but reach out. Their fingers itch to text you. Their heart pulls them closer. The universe is rearranging every atom, every event, every circumstance to deliver your desire right to your doorstep. The call is inevitable. The message is inevitable. The contact is inevitable. Feel it right now. Feel the truth of it. Breathe in the certainty. Exhale every last drop of doubt. You are not hoping. You are not wishing. You are deciding. You are commanding reality itself. You have always had this power, and now you are finally using it fully. Repeat after me. I am magnetic. I am irresistible. I am unforgettable. My specific person feels me. They think of me. They need me. They crave me. They choose me over and over again. Let your heart swell with that certainty. Let it expand inside you. See it as done. See your phone lighting up with their name. Feel the rush of joy, the thrill of the connection. It's not in the future. It's here now. It is your current reality. It is unfolding even as you listen to these words. Your specific person is under your spell. Not because you forced anything, not because you chased, but because you have become the one who receives. You are the prize. You are the gift. And they see it now. Every minute that passes only deepens their desire for you. Every moment apart makes their heart ache for more. They are reaching out. They are making contacts. They are telling you everything you have always wanted to hear. And you are calm. You are serene. You are knowing because this is who you are. This is what you do. You manifest with ease. You manifest with grace. You manifest because it is your nature. Feel the energy building. Feel the anticipation without neediness. You are free. You are abundant. You are loved. You are chosen always. The contact is already on its way. Your phone will buzz. The message will arrive. The call will come through. And you will smile knowing you created it all. Let this be your truth. Let this be your daily knowing. And so it is. I hope you enjoyed this meditation. Type there, contacting me now to affirm. And if you would like your desired person back as soon as possible, let me help you by manifesting them for you. You can sign up for me to manifest for you today at joybyjanell.com or by clicking the link in the description box below. Thousands of people's lives have already been changed with my manifestations. Subscribe for more content like this. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you in the next meditation.